So answering the question of why ArcBoss, we kind of do a flexibility 2.0 with our systems. Like we can do systems with oscillators or without. We can do them with powered slides or manual slides. Our sub-arc system, what we call the sub-arc, is a fully manual system. 9 different axes of adjustability there. So ArcBoss is able to we've, on that sub-arc system, we've drug everything but a laser. We've put pressurized sub-arc guns on it where we're delivering the flux by air pressure. We put smaller hopper gravity feed systems on that unit. And one powerful thing that is the flexibility of our system, one turn of our manual dials produces 3/8 of an inch of linear motion. So you're not sitting there cranking on that dial. You're just basically grabbing it, making a small adjustment as you're welding. So flexibility 2.0, we've oscillated everything but a sub-arc or a laser. We've oscillated TIG, cold feed, and hot feed. We've oscillated MIG, flux core, solid core wire, using systems like that have the modified short arc, RMD process or STT process, or any of those newer welding processes. It walks and talks because it gives you another, where they are controlling arc length, I'm going to say electronically, this gives you some manual arc length stability and control that just right on top of that makes those systems really, really, really produce quality welds. So flexibility 2.0, we do it a lot of ways, and we do it the way our customer needs it done. Don't do any more, it just drives up cost.